Hello guys, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is if x to the power x minus 1 is equal to 2, then find the value of x. So student, today in this video I am telling you how to find the value of x from this exponential equation. Our given exponential equation is x to the power x minus 1 is equal to 2. On the left hand side, again you have to write x to the power x minus 1 is equal to 2. On the right hand side, in the place of 2 we can write in here 2 to the power 2 minus 1. By comparing on both sides of this equation, we get x is equal to 2. So student, to check this solution, we have to put the value of x is equal to 2 on the left hand side of the given equation. So student, the left hand side of the given equation is x to the power x minus 1. So if you put the value of x is equal to 2 in this exponential form, then you can write in here 2 to the power 2 minus 1, that is 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2, which is the right hand side. So student, left hand side is equal to right hand side, proved. So x is equal to 2 is the correct solution of the given equation. So student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.